you like, the new or old?
The new.
You are like the new? You like the new? You like the new?
Only good is
You like old?
Both. New.
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 old, new.
I like what's different.
Something different. Yes, you know, your head likes something new. Latest fashion. Nobody say I want old fashion, right? We all like what? New. Technology? New. Latest technology. You like old technology?
No.
Like new technology. So in our life we all like something new. And that is from our head. Correct? But you know there is a value for old also. What? What do you take pride of? Old friend or new friend? Which is better? Old friends. So old has a place in life?
Yes, definitely.
Huh? So you like the old. Your heart loves the old. Your head likes the new. You know what we do, we completely, as young generation, we discard the old. And all the time you are going for something new, something new, something new. Are you not tired running after new all the time?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Yeah. You know, you get a new phone and then, right, few months later, another model of phone comes. Right? And then you pressurize your parents, no, I want that model. Correct? You keep running after something new. How much value you give for old things? Are you giving? Do you like a friend who keeps running after some new friends? Do you like it? Anybody here? No. You want them to be stable, right? And honor the old friendship that you have having, right? Don't you want recognition?
Yes, absolutely.
You like to be recognized by your friends in your classrooms?
I like
Do you like people recognizing?
Yes.
You want people to recognize you,
Yes.
remember you. Do you remember your own great-great-grandfather? Do you know his name? I want to ask you to do this. 5 generations back, who was your great-great-great-grandfather? Do you know even their name? How do you like it? Down the line, after 50 years, after 200 years, nobody knows you. Would you like that? Nobody recognizes you. Would you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? What do you like?
I want to be remembered.
Remembered by whom?
Everyone.
Everybody. Do you remember your own grandmother?
Yeah. My grandmother, yes.
Great grandmother? Do you know the mother of your mother?
Yes.
Great grandmother?
Yes, I know her. I know my grandmother's grandmother.
You know grandmother's grandmother?
Yeah.
Do you know her name?
No.
No, you don't know her name. Then how can you say you know her?
Because we called her.
No, you don't even know the names of 3 generations back. Now in the lockdown period, why don't you remember, why don't you recollect your own great-grandfathers, both mother's side, great-grandmothers, your father's side, your mother's side? Is it not a time to ponder on your own family tree?
Absolutely.
And to know something what they did?
Yes, definitely.
So look, you have the DNA of your great-great-great-grandfather, right? But you don't even remember him. You know you had a great-grandmother. Grandmother's mother also was there. But you don't even know their name. But you want to be remembered in the future, right? Yeah? Do you recognize the value of people who have contributed to this planet? All those old people, all those generations, sometimes we say old is gold, but we don't even recognize them. In this lockout, you know what are you going to do? Remember, or just get into your own family tree. Get into the history of this planet. Get into this history of this country, of your country, whichever country you belong to. Recognize what is the roots. Where do we come from? You know, to be proud of your roots is absolutely essential. You know what? Life is like a tree. The leaves are new, but the roots are old, right? And if you are going only after something new that's you are in your head, you have no roots, you have no basis, you have no strength. And there are those other people who are only talking about the roots. They only take pride of the past, they're only talking about the roots. You are put off with the old thing. You know why? Why? Because those who advocate the old are not trendy, correct?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
You find they are old-fashioned. Huh? Old-fashioned, always talking about some old stuff. They're not fashionable. Your heart longs for the old, the ancient. Your head runs after something new. You have to balance both heart and head. What you will do, the exercise for you is your nani, your dad, your grandfather, grandmother, ask them about their grandfathers, their grandmothers. Make a note of your family tree of 5 generations back. Can you do this?
Yes.
Can you do this?
Yes.
And find out what were their qualities, what they did. If they did something, they must have done something good. Go for it. So life, both are needed. What? The fashion and the technology, the newness that our head wants, our mind wants, and the old that our heart longs for, being well rooted in the old, will build our character, will make us strong, will make us stable, will give us such depth and dignity in our life.